Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a handy project for all you electronics enthusiasts out there. A DIY soldering fume extractor. If you're like me and spend a lot of time soldering, you know how important it is to protect yourself from those nasty fumes. So, let's build a small, desktop fume extractor that's both effective and budget-friendly. First, let's gather our components. You'll need an old 120mm computer fan. These are super common and you might even have one lying around from an old computer. Next, you'll need a simple frame. We're going to make ours from cardboard, which is easy to work with and readily available. You'll also need a piece of activated carbon filter. These filters are great at absorbing harmful chemicals and odors. A 12-volt adapter will power our fan, so make sure you have one of those handy. Finally, you'll need some basic tools like a hot glue gun, scissors or a craft knife, and some wire. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll prepare the fan. Clean it up if necessary. Then, we'll build the frame. Cut out pieces of cardboard to create a box-like structure. The size of the box should be slightly larger than the fan itself. This box will house the fan and the filter. Use the hot glue gun to assemble the cardboard frame. Make sure the joints are secure. Now, let's install the fan. Place the fan inside the cardboard frame. Make sure the fan is oriented so that it will pull air through the filter and exhaust it away from your face. Secure the fan to the frame using hot glue. Ensure there is enough space for the filter to be placed between the fan and the frame's opening. Next, we'll install the activated carbon filter. Cut the filter to the size of the opening in the frame, where the smoke will enter. This is crucial for capturing the harmful fumes. Place the filter inside the frame, in front of the fan. The filter should be snug, but not too tight. Make sure the filter covers the entire opening. Now, let's wire the fan to the 12-volt adapter. Cut 2 wires and connect them to the fan's power terminals. Connect the other ends of the wires to the positive and negative terminals of the 12-volt adapter. Double-check your connections to ensure everything is secure and that the polarity is correct. Once everything is assembled and wired, it's time to test the fume extractor. Plug in the 12-volt adapter. The fan should start spinning. Now, grab your soldering iron and some solder. Place the soldering iron near the fume extractor's intake. You should see the smoke being sucked into the extractor. That's the activated carbon filter doing its job, absorbing the harmful fumes. If the suction isn't as strong as expected, check that the fan is oriented correctly and that there aren't any air leaks in the frame. And that's it. You've successfully built your own DIY soldering fume extractor. This simple project can make your soldering experience much safer and more enjoyable. Remember to always solder in a well-ventilated area, even with the fume extractor. Consider replacing the activated carbon filter periodically to maintain its effectiveness. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.